It's windy today. I'm glad I'm not out on the water. Here's a simple way to tell if a clause is a subordinate clause. Remember our question for principal or independent clauses? We can use that question again here. Ask yourself, could this clause stand on its own as a separate sentence? If the answer is no, we have a subordinate clause. For example, as the wind blew, the windsock fluttered. Could as the wind blew stand on its own as a separate sentence? No. If I said as the wind blew, you'd want to know what? What happened as the wind blew? Therefore, as the wind blew is a subordinate clause. Notice, by the way, that subordinate clauses show us how different events are related. That's what makes them so useful for a writer. Let's look at a second example over here. Although it was stormy, the barge braved the water. Could, although it was stormy, stand on its own as a separate sentence? No, it couldn't. Therefore, although it was stormy is a subordinate clause. Let's look at a third example out here. The waves swelled up as if they would drown the tugboat. Could, as if they would drown the tugboat, stand on its own as a separate sentence? No, it couldn't. Therefore, as if they would drown the tugboat is also a subordinate clause. Finally, let's look at what the tugboat is tugging. While the tugboat tugged, the log boom pitched and heaved. Could, while the tugboat tugged, stand on its own as a separate sentence? No, it couldn't. Therefore, while the tugboat tugged is also a subordinate clause. Wow! After watching those boats, I feel a bit queasy. I think I'll go in. Notice, by the way, that after watching those boats couldn't stand as a separate sentence. Therefore, it too is a subordinate clause.